Today I'm reviewing the Ankosen 3-in-1 metal wireless charger. This charger has an area for the Apple Watch, a wireless charging base for a phone, and another wireless charging base that can be used for a phone, and it can also charge anything else that charges wirelessly for being QI wireless devices. Right now, I've got a phone sitting on the wireless bed. I've got an Apple Watch sitting on the watch charger, and I've got my Sony wireless charging case earbuds sitting on the wireless charging platform over here. So it does do 3 things in one. This phone base can charge the phone vertically or horizontally. Here's the phone sitting horizontally. A person can watch a video while it's charging. Taking this apart also allows it to be a wireless charging pad. Once the 3-in-1 wireless charging stand gets flattened out, it becomes a wireless charging pad. And it sits just like this. This wireless charging stand will charge any type of phone that does allow QI wireless charging. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that will plug in right here and go to the wall. Instead, I used my own USB-C to USB-A typical charging cable with a USB-C end. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the Ankosen 3-in-1 metal wireless charging stand. Charge up to 3 devices at once.